Hello there, beautiful person. So for today's video, I'm going to be transitioning my clothes. I'm going to be putting away my winter clothes, taking out my spring clothes. So I'm also going to be decluttering some of it. So hopefully that goes pretty well. So yeah, let's get into this video and let's get started. So this is what my closet looks like. It's a little bit of a hot mess. So we're going to go ahead and start decluttering things that are in here. And then we'll get to the boxes for my spring clothes.
Inside your mind, just watch me breaking. You're sweet, you're falling into me, touch me. I swear, you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. Just watch me break it. You're sweet, you're falling into me, touch me. I swear, you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Quiero, baby. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Te quiero. Dime, baby, ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dame tu amor, dame tu amor, dame tu amor, tu amor, tu amor. Dame tu amor, dame amor. Dame tu amor, tu amor, tu amor. Quiero baby, quiero baby, quiero baby, quiero baby. Baby, dime cuántas veces me volviste demente. Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol.
Okay, so far this bag is what I am going to donate. So I have that bag there. I still have to go ahead and organize this a little more. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of my shirts that are crop tops or anything that's kind of like mid-length here, and then everything that's a bodysuit's going this way. And then so over here I have things like that are bodysuits that are kind of pinned at the bottom because they are longer. And then I have just like some long sleeve shirts this way, and then just like sweaters that I can still wear during the spring. So I have that there. And then I have like my tracksuits and my jackets for working out, etc, etc. Then back there I have dresses, and then I have my coats and my jackets and cardigans that I can use during the spring. So that's what I have so far. I'm gonna go ahead and hang my clothes that I bought brand new. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start putting all of this away over here. So this is all of my winter clothes that I need to put away. So that's gonna go in boxes right now. You guys will see. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, put up all of my new clothes. So I'm not gonna film that because I do have hauls coming, so I don't want to give that away. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back and you guys will see me put this stuff away. Okay, so my boxes are actually underneath my bed. I have a huge mess. It's an organized mess, but it's still a mess nonetheless. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those out and hopefully organize this a little bit better. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. I have them in cheese ball boxes because that's what I used when I moved. So I've just been reusing them. And I considered getting like plastic boxes, but they're always too high for underneath my bed. So I'm still looking for some good ones. But yeah, I'm gonna go through this stuff, declutter some more, and then hang whatever it is that I'm going to hang. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so this is what my closet ended up looking like. So I have shirts here, sweaters here. Then I have a lot of dresses because during the spring and the summer, I tend to wear a lot of dresses. Then over here we have more dresses. Then we have coats and like cardigans. So that's what this looks like over here. So the thing is, that's done. But now we have all of this mess that I have to clean up. So this is fall clothes, and then I do have some shorts that I have to actually put in there and then take out all of my winter stuff from in there. So that's a process. And then here's another bag of clothes that I'm going to donate. So yeah. Wish me luck, guys. But I do think that is going to be everything for this video. All of this I'm just going to do on my own. I just wanted you guys to see me declutter my closet, which I kind of did. Now I just have to put all of this stuff away. So I don't want this video to be super long. If you're interested in seeing a clean with me, please let me know. I haven't done one in a while. I might completely just do another video on how I clean this up because it's a lot, honestly. So yeah, if you guys, I'm gonna film it. If you guys want to see it, let me know down below and I'll go ahead and edit and upload it. So definitely let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started now because I'm losing daylight. It's currently 5 o'clock and I'm trying to finish before 8. So fingers crossed. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really do hope that you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumb up. If you guys enjoyed me, please hit the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you and your amazingness here on my channel. Let's be friends. Let's talk makeup. Let's talk life. Let's talk fashion. Let's talk disasters. So I really do hope that I get to see you and your amazingness here again on my channel in my next video. Bye, beautiful person. Ow, I smacked myself. Bye, beautiful person.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.